my neck bright. I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I get that check right.
Welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. Yes, I'm Mr. Gaza here, and today we are in the spot where we can let black cherry shine like the sun. Yes, we are here in a parking lot where it's only busy on the weekend, but nevertheless, this parking lot here is the perfect spot to do a nice rolling video montage with black cherry. If you are not a subscriber to the Gaza Performance Garage, I want you guys to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. Listen, a lot of you guys think that I don't like your comments, but I do love your comments. It may take me a while to answer them, but I want you guys to do comments. Comments are very important for the growth of this channel. And also, smash that like, okay guys? Listen, I'm going to go ahead and get her ready for a rolling montage.
guys, thank you for watching today's video. It was a blast. I've never done this before here in a garage, empty garage. This is usually packed on the weekends, but here in Port St. Lucie, this is the bomb. This place is designated for all YouTubers. I love this place. I love it. Thank you for the city of Port St. Lucie for allowing me to use their complex, their garage for this video, and also Gaza Performance Garage is here to stay. The followers of my YouTube channel, I want to tell you something. I got mad love, I got mad respect, and thank you very much for all your subscription. A lot of mad love by subscribing to my Gaza Performance Garage channel. Let them know, hey, we're here to stay.